So we have something called an ATS Optimizer tool. So what's an ATS Optimizer? So an ATS is like application tracking system. Almost all companies use like ATS systems. So it's a smart system that scans CVs whenever applicants send submissions. It scans to filter for keywords, and most applicants do not know that the HR systems for companies use this. And that's why sometimes you can send an application for a job, and then 1 or 2 minutes later you get an immediate rejection, and you're like, my God, how did this happen? It's because there is like an ATS system. There's like an automatic system that has been set in place that scans everything, that scans for all the applications, and then it has like an acceptable score. The CVs that have the most keywords from the job advert are the ones that get to the next stage where a human actually goes and reads through the CVs.
Yeah.
So we created a system. We created a system called an ATS Optimizer. So you upload your CV, and then you can paste the job advert which you're trying to apply to, and then you run a scan, and then it's able to compare the keywords that are on that CV, and then it checks your CV and the job advert to see if the keywords match each other. If it's too low, it gives you suggestions on how to improve on it. And the suggestions you can directly within the system already edit it, adjust it, and then you can on the next step then send a new application. So with this, we are helping people that apply for jobs a great deal, because sometimes people will be like, oh, maybe someone does not wish me well in the village and I'm only getting rejected. But no,
village people are behind. Village people are behind me.
But that's not it. It's just automation. Systems have just been automated, because think about it. You have companies that have 10,000 people. They put one job advert, and there are 600 people that apply. And then in the recruiting system, you have a recruiting staff. You have just 2 people that have to go through 600 stuff. Unfortunately, it's overwork, right? They have 1 month to come up with an employee, and it's just too much. So that's why they integrated such systems in order to filter out applications that the system scores as not good enough, or that it's not it does not match the keywords. Because you can have a good CV, but because you don't have the keywords, you will not get selected, because the system filters you out. Yeah. So the ATS Optimizer was just one of them. We also have like business cards.
Okay. Wow. So this resume one. So it's really, I didn't know about that one. It's really interesting. So everybody out there that's trying to apply for a job, there are no village people behind you right now. So what you just need to do now is go to DocFila, and then you can put your job description and put your resume, and it can give you a score and improve your resume, so that you should not receive those thank you messages 2 minutes or 3 minutes after you apply. Maybe you search for a job for 1 hour, find a job that you think that is a good fit for your resume, apply, and then you get a thank you message just 3 minutes, 5 minutes after that. It's really annoying, right? So now DocFila can help you. So I think that is a great feature of this app.